Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Beatrice and thank you so much for joining me today. In this tutorial I'm going to be demonstrating what a whip stitch is and how I would take an applique and attach it to any kind of project. So I have a little swatch here, a little sample, so I'm going to demonstrate this. You just need your darning needle and you need the yarn. Now for whatever project that you're going to make, it just depends on, do you want to see the edge or not? In this instance, we don't want to see the stitches that we're putting into the applique. So we're going to just start from the back by holding your applique in place, or you can also pin it. Just make some weaving ends so that it secures it. You can take your ends, weave them through, and you can make a little, sort of like a little knot, okay? And then you want to, I will pin it down just to show you. So with your needle going from the back to the front, you want to insert your needle through one of the edge stitches, okay? Now we're going to take our needle. A true whip stitch would mean I would take the needle and I would go behind the applique. But because I don't want anything to show, there are a couple of ways to do this. I can go inside the next stitch, pull it through, then you want to take your needle and go up through the next stitch. Or you could take your yarn and you could go over the applique and to the back. That would be the whip stitch, okay? So you see the difference? Do you see how you can see that stitch going through the back, whereas the other one, it was stitch to stitch? So it really just depends on what you prefer for your particular project, okay? We're basically making stitches to secure our applique down. So for this project, I do like the way it looks going stitch to stitch instead of taking the needle and putting it through the back. So that's what I'm going to do for this project, is I'm just going to take the needle and go stitch to stitch. To me, it's just a cleaner stitch. And there you have it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave me a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And I hope to see you in another video. Bye for now.